Hello viewers, in our last video we have seen that how we can calculate the sum product for this specific data and date range. Now in that video we have placed the date range from 1st of Jan to 15th of Jan. You can also change it to any specific date that you want, suppose from 10th of Jan to 15th of Jan. It will be giving you the answer. Now in there arises the one question again, that if I just want to find the sum product of all the specific items with the specific date. Say I just want to find the sum product of pins or the item value for all the pin from 1st of Jan to 15th of Jan or any specific date. For this we will be using again the same sum product formula with another one condition, that would be selecting the pins or pencils or etc. or specific item. I would be deleting this and will be placing again the same formula. So what I would do over here is, again I will place the sum product with initial if conditions, that would be for dates. I will be selecting the date range and will be placing the condition first for greater than and equal to, and then second condition for less than and equal to. Now you can see that I have placed the conditions for date. Now I just want to find the sum product in this range for only one specific item, that is pin. Then I will be placing again another if condition, that if, and will be selecting the range for items only, and here the condition, if in this range it matches to pin. Then it will be finding the sum product of again item quantity and item price. Now as you can see that it is again finding the sum product for the from this date to this date, but for only specific item, that is pin. You can also place another multiple conditions like this for as per your data, and then I will be copying this and pasting this. Now you can see the answer is, again I have placed the sum formula over here. Answer is same. This is representing the all items that are placed in from 1st of Jan to 15th of Jan or in whole of the data. So it is giving the sum product for all this, that I have spent 47,575 rupees in overall from 1st of Jan to 15th of Jan and in these specific items. So if I am changing the date, let us say just I am changing it to 2020, Jan 1st of Jan 2019 to 1st of Jan 2020. Then it will be giving me the answer for whole data range from 1st of Jan to Jan 19 to 1st of Jan 2020. Now